Hi everyone, this is another little design and I did something similar before but it was on a bigger tip. This time I'm using a small tip and I'm using also different colors of foils. And here I am applying them on a sticky layer of gel polish that was previously cured in the lamp and just applying a couple of different colors of it. You can use tweezers, you can help yourself with a finger as long as it's clean glove and no dust attached. Then I'm applying 3 different colors of gel polish over it, just random patches, using master detailer tool. This orange is butterscotch, and this one here is oops orange, and the green one is Normandy green gel polish. That is cured in the lamp, and then I apply a couple of more gold leaves. I think this is now a trend, so it's nice to use them. And just randomly, wherever you apply them, they will just stick into the surface. You can do it like this, so break it down into little pieces. And then you don't have to cure it, anything like that, just stays on. And then I use matte top coat, extreme matte top coat. You can use 2 layers of matte top coat, so then you'll have kind of nicer look. And then I'm using Papine's Choice brush for long lines and black liner gel. So these 2 lines I have just drawn quickly, and then using smaller brush, which is called Katharina's Choice, I'm doing little leaves and just literally doing some blobs of black liner gel and then trying to fix it into leaf shapes. Then just doing a couple of them beside each other, and so they turn a little bit, so they're not like simple. I mean, they're not parallel to each other too much, but they curve a little bit towards the middle part. Couple of dotties over here, imitating bold branches of a tree, let's say, when it's full autumn. Well, we're not there yet, but still. And a couple of leaves over here, just a silhouette, just a shape, and it's already enough designed in enough colors, so there's no need for anything more detailed. So this is just a couple of leaves like that, fixing it with Katharina's Choice brush and black liner gel. This black liner gel is applied on the matte top coat, and I previously removed the sticky layer. Another leaf and maybe one more, and then I will add a couple of dots and then cure this in the lamp. And then later, of course, it's important to remove the sticky layer, because black liner gel and white liner gel, they do have a sticky layer, so that needs to be removed. This is a very simple design. You could use also different colors, maybe even brighter colors. It doesn't necessarily have to be dark like this. It could be even whiter, whatever you prefer. It's just an idea. And then at the end, I'm using a little bit of gemstone gel. This gel I apply with a dotting tool, and just a couple of dotties imitating rain. Rain drops, so just wherever I think. And also, again, this needs to be cured in the lamp. Curing time, it's about 1 to 1.5 minutes, depends on the lamp you're using. And that's the end result. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again. Bye.